Palantir just reported, and they absolutely crushed it. The stock is up over 10%. Let me break down exactly what happened and why this quarter was even better than expected. Revenue growth accelerated to 70% year over year, up from 63% last quarter. They beat the high end of their own guidance by 6% and beat Wall Street estimates by the same margin. The Rule of 40 score hit 127%. That is an elite number. Let's break it down by segment. Government revenue grew 60% year over year, accelerating from 55% last quarter. U.S. government specifically was up 66%. But the real star is commercial. Commercial revenue grew 81%. And U.S. commercial, the number everyone watches, grew 137% year over year. That's an acceleration from 121%. Absolutely insane growth. International commercial grew 8%, which is basically flat. Management was blunt. U.S. demand is so strong they don't have the bandwidth to chase complex international deals. Now here's where it gets really interesting. The 2026 guidance came in way above expectations. Q1 implies 74% growth. Full year 2026 guidance implies up to 61% growth. The street was modeling 40. That's a massive beat. If you do the math, 74% in Q1 implies some deceleration to hit 61 full year. But remember, Palantir has a history of beating guidance by more than 6 points every quarter, so actual growth could stay elevated. A few key themes jumped out. First, existing customers are expanding faster. Net dollar retention increased to 139%. AIP is compressing the time from initial engagement to real impact. Second, deal sizes are getting bigger. Initial contracts are starting around $10 million. Prospects are no longer asking if it works. They're asking, how do I get started? Completely different sales motion. Third, the narrative shift. They're positioning Palantir as the operating system for the enterprise. Management said, every other software must now justify its existence. They're displacing third-party software. On competition, management said models are becoming commoditized. The market will separate those who provide commoditized AI from those who deploy it at scale. Palantir is the only one focused on that production layer. So here's the bottom line. Guidance crushed expectations. The US business is on fire. The stock is up double digits for a reason. At this valuation, they needed to deliver, and they did. Momentum is clearly still there. That's the recap. Subscribe if you want more earnings breakdowns like this. I'll see you in the next one.